Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a proper step-by-step guide on how to fix the black screen error that you get on Streamlabs on PC. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So it's a bit funny that I'm currently using OBS to record this guide video, but I digress. So the black screen error on Streamlabs is a pretty common occurrence and is usually tied to a security or firewall or admin permission that's tied to your PC. And there are a couple ways of fixing it, but you guys would be surprised that sometimes the cost for this problem would be something as simple as the order of your source list. Well, I'm here to show you the different ways of fixing this problem. So the first one I'm going to go over is simply running Streamlabs as an administrator. So we're going to close off Streamlabs here, and you're going to navigate to your desktop to the Streamlabs icon, like so, and we're going to right click on it and simply run as admin. Now this should lift any restrictions prior to the error and should give the application full access to your desktop now, or whatever is being shown on your screen. Now, the next method I'm going to talk about is the order of the source list. So you guys would be surprised at how often this is actually the cause of the black screen error. So let's say I want to capture the gameplay of the game I'm playing. So what you need to do is you need to simply drag that source at the very top. So this prompts Streamlabs to give priority to this source instead of anything below it. Another thing you guys can do is simply refresh your source list. And to do that, you need to delete the source that you want to capture, like so, and you need to add it back in. So in this case, I want to refresh game capture. So we're simply going to click on game capture again and add source. And here you get to choose what type of window you're trying to capture. So in my case, let's say I want to capture some gameplay. So I'm going to click on capture any full screen application and it should work now. Another thing you guys can try is simply tabbing in and out of your game. Now, personally, this worked for me quite a few times in the past where I would just tab out of my game and tab back in if I ever had like the black screen error. Now, the last method we're going to talk about is allowing Streamlabs through your firewall. And to do that, you need to follow these steps as shown here. So you need to click on the Windows icon or simply click on the Windows key on your keyboard and look for allow an app through Windows Firewall. So it should show you a list of all of your installed applications. And what you need to do here is you need to click on change settings and you need to look for Streamlabs. And when you do, you need to click on the checkbox right here and simply click on OK once you find Streamlabs, that is. And once you've done all of that, you should be good to go. So if any of these methods actually work for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to show your support to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and make sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all that said, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.